Your check engine light is on, and your scanner just pulled up P0300. This code means your engine is misfiring randomly across multiple cylinders. It feels like shaking, stumbling, or power loss. The good news is that most causes are inexpensive and fixable at home in your driveway. Here are 7 common reasons and exactly how to fix each one. Worn spark plugs. Spark plugs create the high-voltage spark that ignites the air and fuel mixture in each cylinder. Their job is to fire consistently on every power stroke across all engine conditions. When the electrodes wear down, the plug gap grows too wide and the spark becomes weak or intermittent. Multiple cylinders misfire randomly, and P0300 is stored. You will notice rough idle, hesitation under acceleration, and a slight shake at low speeds. How to fix it? Remove each spark plug and inspect the tips. Look for rounded electrodes, heavy carbon deposits, oil fouling, or cracked porcelain. A full set of replacement spark plugs costs between $10 and $40 depending on your engine. Always replace plugs as a complete set, never one at a time, and torque them to the manufacturer's specification. Failing ignition coils. Ignition coils convert low battery voltage into the thousands of volts needed to fire each spark plug. Their job is to deliver that voltage consistently every time the PCM commands it. When coils age or crack internally, they weaken intermittently and cause misfires across random cylinders. You will feel the engine stumble under acceleration, and a P0300 code appears without a specific cylinder code. Coil failure is common on vehicles past 80,000 miles. How to fix it? Scan for misfire codes. If only P0300 is stored with no cylinder-specific codes, swap coils between cylinders and rescan. If the misfire pattern changes to the new cylinder, that coil is failing. A replacement ignition coil costs between $20 and $80 each. Replace coils as a set on high-mileage vehicles to prevent repeat repairs. Clogged fuel injectors. Fuel injectors spray a precise, atomized fuel mist into each combustion chamber. Their job is to deliver an even spray pattern at the exact moment the PCM commands. When injector tips clog with fuel varnish or carbon, the spray pattern becomes uneven, and some cylinders receive less fuel than needed. Random misfires across the engine trigger P0300. You may also notice rough idle and decreased fuel economy. How to fix it? Add a quality fuel injector cleaner to a full tank of gas and drive normally for a tank or two. If the misfire remains, have the injectors professionally cleaned or replaced. Replacement fuel injectors cost between $15 and $60 each. Always clean or replace all injectors simultaneously to maintain balanced fuel delivery across all cylinders. Vacuum leak. The intake manifold uses steady vacuum pressure to draw measured air into every cylinder evenly. Its job is to maintain a sealed system so the PCM can calculate the exact fuel amount needed. When a vacuum hose cracks or an intake gasket fails, unmetered air enters the system. The air-fuel ratio becomes lean across multiple cylinders, causing random misfires and a stored P0300 code. How to fix it? With the engine idling, spray carburetor cleaner around the intake manifold, vacuum hoses, and throttle body base. Any sudden change in idle speed identifies the leak location. Replace any cracked hose or failed gasket. Replacement vacuum hose costs a few dollars per foot, and intake gaskets typically cost between $10 and $30. Low fuel pressure. The fuel pump delivers pressurized fuel to the injectors through the fuel rail. Its job is to maintain consistent pressure within the specified range at all RPM and loads. When the pump weakens, the fuel filter clogs, or the pressure regulator fails, fuel pressure drops below the required value. All cylinders run lean simultaneously, producing random misfires and a P0300 code. You may notice stumbling under hard acceleration first. How to fix it? Connect a mechanical fuel pressure gauge to the fuel rail test port. Compare the reading to the specification in your service manual. Low pressure confirms a fuel delivery problem. Replace the fuel filter first since it costs between $10 and $40. If pressure is still low after replacement, the fuel pump itself may need to be replaced. Faulty mass airflow sensor. The mass airflow sensor measures the exact volume of air entering the engine. Its job is to send accurate airflow data to the PCM so fuel delivery can be calculated correctly. When the sensing wires get contaminated with dust or oil, the sensor sends false airflow readings. The PCM adjusts fuel based on bad data and creates random misfires across multiple cylinders, triggering P0300. How to fix it? Remove the MAF sensor and carefully spray the sensing wires with a dedicated MAF sensor cleaner. Never touch the wires with a rag or your fingers. Let the sensor dry fully before reinstalling. A can of MAF cleaner costs about $6. A replacement MAF sensor costs between $15 and $60 if cleaning does not solve the problem. Low engine compression. Each cylinder needs a specific compression value to ignite the air-fuel mixture correctly. The compression comes from the piston rings, valves, and head gasket working together as a sealed chamber. When any of these components wear out, leak, or fail, compression drops in one or more cylinders. The affected cylinders misfire randomly under load, and P0300 is stored alongside reduced power output. How to fix it? Perform a compression test using a compression gauge screwed into each spark plug hole. Normal compression is typically between 130 and 180 psi depending on the engine. Any cylinder more than 15% below the others has an internal problem. A compression test kit costs under $40. Low compression may indicate worn rings, burnt valves, or a failing head gasket that requires deeper engine work.